In case you missed how we gave our home a makeover from this to this, we've been getting tons of stares at the new change. We also updated our flower beds with hardy plants, and recently we added some much needed color. With that being said, we put a lot of work into our lawn, but if you have fire ants, they can injure you or your pets. It's something that we want to get rid of. I've partnered with Over and Out to share how we got rid of those pesky little critters in 15 minutes. Apply early spring for 6 months of protection. Set your broadcast spreader to the recommended setting. Then add your ready-to-use granular, then spread evenly over your entire yard. Then water immediately after spreading your granulars. We waited a few hours before disturbing the mound to find that there's no live ants in the mound. Knowing that our yard is ant-free makes us happy. The process was fast and easy, and I will leave a link to Over and Out Advanced Fire Ant Killer down below. Goodbye winter, hello spring. I am so excited to add some spring touches to the exterior of our home in the front, and I'll have more content for you sharing the back. I love shopping at my local nursery. I just find that there's so much peace when I'm there, and there's so many benefits for shopping at your local nursery. From my experience, nurseries offer healthier plants. The staff is very knowledgeable about the plants, and they answer any questions and concerns about pet and kid-friendly plants. That's a big one, and they usually have money-back guarantee within a reasonable time frame. They loaded everything up in my car and I got to work immediately. After getting home, I played where I wanted the plants to go until I was pleased with it, making sure to space them 2 feet apart. My mom chose these beautiful red drift roses that are ground cover, and they come in bold colors and they look beautiful draped over a rock wall or an edge. I didn't want to bore you showing us planting them, but what a huge difference color makes. Everything right now looks a little dinky because they are babies, but they will grow and spread out. And if you're on my Instagram and TikTok, I'll show the progress over there. On the walkway, I didn't plant anything. I'm actually undecided. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I plant something or not? Can I just say that I'm so obsessed with our new front doors. We get tons of compliments all the time, and if you want more details on this door, you'll have to watch my makeover video. The link is in my description box. I am so into layering rugs at our front door, starting with the base layer, then add something fun with a cute saying or something whimsical, and then add an outdoor rug on top for visual interest. On to adding something that says spring is here, and I got these 2 adorable bunny wreaths from at-home stores about 3 months ago, and I'm trying to decide which ribbon I'll use to hang them, but they did come with a built-in hanger, but I'm using 2 of the outdoor wreath hooks. That's made for outdoors. You apply it like any other Command product. I always get questions about my wall planters, and I've had them for years, and they are from the flea market, and I paid about $5 each for them, and they have such a style statement. Planters are very personal. There's so many ways to mix and match them with color. There is no way that I will remember to water them, so I opted for faux ones that look realistic, and I got them from Ross stores for only $12.99 each. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I'd like to give Over and Out a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I want to thank you all for watching.